We're at the airport in Seattle. Mom, I'm on a plane.
She wants to be cool because this is the first convertible she ever rode, and we got a.
I'm sure you guys want to get to it.
3, 2, 1.
She is giving a fist pound and shaking the hand of some of the drummers.
Come on, everybody, big round of applause to Laughing Washington. First time on a world stage, 13 years old. That's history in the making right there. Thank you so much.
And you know what you do after a hard working competition? Practice, practice, practice.
So we're going on the canoe ride.
Hey everyone! It's the day after the competition and I finally get to go in the pool, the ocean, whatever I want, basically.
So happy Mother's Day! I made.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
They turn
together. You take your bag. Don't look at us. Look at Dominic. You guys match. You're so cute.
I don't like how I can hear you taking the pictures.
Yeah, why am I able to hear it?
The silhouettes here taking pictures. This is Dominic's prom, and acapella's going with him. Aw, is that pretty?
Mom, which way?
Was it right hand or left hand?
Left or right hand?
For the
Yeah, I'd say left hand. The hand you use the less. Not gonna give him a kiss?
Wow, no kiss?
Hello.
No one's watching. Oh, look at her.
Normality.
All right, we better let you guys go. You can smooch up by the door. We don't have to film it. Have fun, guys, gals. Good job.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,
Hey, we're at the airport in Seattle.
Waiting to fly.
Oh yeah, waiting to fly.
Yeah. So this is the airport. We're in one of the sections. You can see we're in like a pub place so I can have a drink before I fly. So this airport's so big. We got to one section of the airport and then we had to walk like, it felt like over a mile to get to the trains, and then we took an underground train for like, I would say 7 minutes to get to another section of the airport, just so we could get to the right area where our gate is at. So hopefully we'll see you next when we get on the plane. So here's the fish and chips they serve in Seattle. Looks pretty good.
And we're in Seattle.
It's way bigger. So as we're in Seattle, yeah, we haven't left yet. But that's where we're leaving from. Yeah, and then she just won a big plate of fries. And she got a pink lemonade. And Daddy, oh my gosh, they only gave me half a glass? Golly, what? We're seeing it then.
Mom, I'm on a plane.
We're getting ready to fly out. People are just boarding the plane. I got to come on early because I'm a retired veteran. That's me. Hi, honey.
Everything that you did, that you said, I don't think you understand what you see it. And my heart's black and blue from bruising. I feel like when I'm with you, I'm losing. I feel like you think that this is amusing. Sitting there, gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion.
So we're really
Even
close
though
to
I offer all
flying.
of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you. It's
Almost
stupid.
time.
When I'm alone with
Like
you, I
maybe
never
like
feel
hours.
lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish
You done?
never saw
Yeah.
I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted. My heart's been wounded.
Oh, she's finally in Hawaii. Well, there's a lot of people here. They must be going somewhere. What'd you say?
It's really warm.
It's really warm here.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Went
They have
outside.
that open air. Oh, you can't see. Sorry. But there's a nice fountain down there, a little pond. I probably won't show this part. It's so dark. She wants to be cool because this is the first convertible she ever rode it. We got a red Camaro. Yay, yay. What do you say?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Yay, yay.
All right, let's get going. Time for the long drive to the North Shore. Okay, judging by our time from Washington, it's 12:30 in the morning. We just got done shopping at Walmart to get snacks. We are in Honolulu, and we got a long drive to get up to the North Shore and the hotel. So we'll see you then. We may not show you the what do we call it, the hotel room till tomorrow, though. All right, far for now.
How about I just take a picture before she brings everybody?
Yeah. Take forever. I'm sure you guys want to get to you. Oh.
3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1.
Thank you.
Okay.
Supposed to be in your room already? I know. No, I'm going to go sleep in.
That's like
sure.
2 o'clock in the
We have a time limit.
I know. He's tired.
These guys are dancing for the high school competition yesterday. Yeah. That's the Radford High School. Yeah.
That's high schoolers.
Yeah.
And one of our kids,
My mom was watching it live last night.
Oh, so you got to meet the kids. Radford. Yeah, and we had one student, 2 students from our school with her over her alumni.
Yeah,
that's right. My mom
Maybe
with
tell
her,
the camera who they say out loud.
Oh, we will be on the show. Put the picture.
Yeah, in the month.
Come on, get us.
So who are these fine young dancers?
Oh, okay. They're high schoolers. It's from Whitehall High School.
Oh, that's my wife went.
Yeah.
We gotta get down
There you go. And that's Juju. He's from Milani. Yep. And then that's Alema from Radford, Omi's son. And that's the lady. She's a student at Prince. I'm so sorry. And Pepperdine. Yes, California. 4 plus. Okay, come on. Take our picture.
Wait, who's in the picture?
You.
Yeah, you're the one that told me to go in the picture.
Okay, come on. They get tired. Yeah. All right, get ready.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Cheese.
Okay, I took it over like 10 pictures.
Get in there,
Oh,
boys.
thank
Get one.
you.
Get real quick with the
Sorry. No, it's sweet.
Thank you. Man, there we go.
Yeah. Say that.
All right.
Thank you.
We'll
Good
see you
luck.
tomorrow.
Good luck to her.
Thank you.
Maybe tomorrow.
We just stopped off the side of the road. We're driving around. It's early in the morning. A lot of stuff's not open, but the 7-Eleven's open. We're gonna go and get some manapua or some musubi. There's the North Shore of Oahu over there. Silhouette's chilling. She's anxious for the stores to open so she can go shopping. Silhouette got her new flip-flops at a little store. And we just stopped off the side of the road because she wanted to see the North Shore. the famous waves of North Shore. Of course, this section right here is not the biggest waves, but there's still big waves compared to other places like beaches we've been, well, she's been. Silhouette's FaceTiming mommy so she can see. Oh, it's so pretty. Wish I had a boogie board. Look, so he's going. Oh, and he's coming back. Look at this. It is just gorgeous to end all gorgeouses. I see why they call this place paradise. So beautiful. You gonna go down by the water for a second?
Yeah, you gotta walk.
Go ahead, Silo. Silo, watch out, giant crab coming at you. I'm just kidding. Here's my breakfast from the 7-Eleven, some Moco Loco with the stir-fried rice and egg. Let's take a big bite. Here we go. Oh. That's authentic. Delicious. We're looking out the hotel window here. Beautiful. Here's our room. I just slept on the couch. Silhouette slept up here. She's eating musubi. Buy two, get one free. And then we got her Fireknife case here. She has practice today, so I have to get the stuff on here to get the wood and stuff. I'll do that in a little bit. And we still have some shopping to do, but I just wanted to give you a quick tour where we're staying. Not a big room, but we only wanted something small. Got a little closet there, and the bathroom with a shower, all that good stuff. All right. Say bye. Say bye. Oh, someone's calling. We're back at the hotel room after lots of shopping. We'll show you that stuff later. And I had a kiwi food truck, so I got a steak and onion. Yum yum. See you guys later. Don't get the car mirror in it, please. So we are here. It's a Monday night. We are practicing at Miley Beach Park in Wahiwa. Look at these waves right here, splashing on the beach. Woo, pretty. I know Silhouette wants to play in the water, but that's a big no-no from the instructor till after she's done. There's Jocko over there. He's gonna practice with her tonight. All right, let's get to it. Look at the scenery though. Woo, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Even got kids out here in 82 degrees practicing football in full gear. Beautiful here. I love it. Let's get a close-up of the wave if we can, or a wave. Hopefully it don't jump up here and smash me down. Here comes the swell right there. No, not very big, but woo. Oh, nice. Nice. Here comes the one towards me. Let me back up a little bit just in case I don't want to get soaking wet. Oh, pretty. We're stopping by a little store here for a Silhouette. She wants to shop. Look at hello, kitty, kitty. Damon's got their food, their roosters outside. He's in his rooster dish.
If you try, you just buy. Get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F.
is it? So about what day is it?
Competition day.
For what?
Competition
Day. It is Wednesday, the 10th of May. We're seeing some people are getting here early and they're practicing over there. There's another family over there, like tailgating. Everyone hasn't shown up yet. We're actually about an hour before we're supposed to be here, so we're just coming here to relax. Some guy's pressure washing the ground, but we're just chilling out right here. All right, we're seeing the event. Yeah, so there's one of that's Nia. That's one of Silhouette's teammates' mom. Since Aseka's not here, she's helping her get her hair done. And we got all the equipment. Then she has her uniform over there, her outfit, and her pele, and her ulu nifo, or whatever, however you say the necklace. All that's over there. And I'm not going to bother her. I'm not going to stay down here and make her nervous. But here's the backstage. People are just starting to show up. We've got another hour and a half before anything even starts. So just wanted to show you a little bit of the backstage. So apparently there's two of the female competitors. They came all dressed up. People don't have to change into their outfits till later, I guess. So she's back there getting her hair done. I wanted to show you the tunnel. This is where they come in. So see, they have some of the leaves here. And it says, through this tunnel past the best dancers in Polynesia. Then they have a mirror so they can check themselves out before they go. And there's a tunnel there, and that's where they go to the stage. I don't want to just walk all the way in there because you'll be like, what are you doing here? And it's raining out. Nice. So pretty in Hawaii. When it rains, it actually feels nice. It don't feel cold or nothing. It's actually a very pleasant rain. It's a little windy too, but they said inside that you don't feel the wind at all. Just some more pictures of inside. Of course, on Wednesdays it's closed to general public and it's made for special events. So we have some special events here. And I think that's Jerry Lee. And there's Michaeli. So a couple of people that you might know. They're on YouTube a lot. And she is like the 4-time world champion. Well, she's the last women's champion for sure. So she's awesome. So I'm just walking around out front, letting her, let Jocko get her prepped. And see, they have food here. I'm gonna go take some, walk around and kind of see what's going on. Oh, there's some tables set up. I'll go check that out too. So you see, we've been looking for the little Nifa Oti ones for Silhouette. Now she got one. In here, they're selling corned beef gravy, Kilele, Kisupo, and round small pancakes with cocoa. So I just want to show you real quick what I bought. Oh my gosh, I already tried some. I've never had this. The Kilele Pisupo. Oh my gosh, it's so good. How come my wife never told me about this one? I could try to make it. I'm gonna do that first weekend I'm home. And I got Slovak, a little necklace. So no matter how she does, win or lose, we got her a little Samoa Nifa Oti. Sure love that. All right. I just came over here. I'm waiting for the opening ceremony. I'm gonna walk back across the parking lot. It's right over that way, back to the Polynesian Club. Still about 45 minutes away from the start of the ceremony, so I'm just kind of walking around showing you the vibe and what's going on. I'll look and see what kind of shirts they got over here at the Samoan table.
As John Milford just said, my name is Sia Toma, and I'll be honored to co-host alongside John Milford this 30th annual World Fireknife Championship. Welcome to the Pacific Theater. Woo!
announcing the judges now for the competition for the Women's World Championship and the Men's World Championship. Siva Avi.
Our honorable judges this evening, ladies and gentlemen, are more than qualified to do what they're about to do. They will be judging the women's division first, our Tain Toa, where we have 5 competitors, and then we'll have 30 competitors in the open division or the men's division this evening. So, the first judge we'd like to introduce you to, who is our head judge this evening, comes to us all the way from Salt Lake City, Utah. He started his Fireknife career right here at the Polynesian Cultural Center as a student athlete playing basketball right next door at the former Church College of Hawaii. His Fireknife credits also include dancing for Falanico's Polynesian Spectacular in Waikiki and opening for the original Hawaii 5-0 Zulu show. He's toured the United States and Canada extensively as a Fireknife dancer and a very, very talented musician. Please welcome High Chief Petayat Mauso Franco. First judge.
Professional Fireknife dancing while still in high school. For 28 years, he performed the Polynesian Cultural Center evening show. Please welcome Chief Baboy Judge,
Ulele Tupana Maleaki Neria.
Chief Amea Toa Luau, Mountain Production, Paradise Code, recruited by owner of Section and 12 competition. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the only Topo!
Judging you this year at the 30th annual, ladies and gentlemen, we call him MJ, but this is Malo Jordan Matapu III.
Everett Pula!
Greek Theater, Leota Lele Leota and the team of Siva Aki International.
At this time, we'd like to turn a few minutes over to Lennon to say what this special presentation is all about.
Thank you, Joshua. I feel very nervous. You come all the way from the island, make you feel nervous when I see everybody. But tonight, we're here for a special occasion. To us, we'd like to acknowledge and honor some of the people that have been helping us since 2002. We become into these World Fireknife dancing competitions.
Fire.
the men's. There's 30 of them. I'll turn it on when they announce Silhouette's instructor, Chaco.
Washington, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 18, Jumbo Wukwalii.
Contestant number 19 from Hanauma, Hawaii. With that, ladies and gentlemen, our first competitor all the way from Samoa, Samoa, Josephine Prom.
Silhouette's coming next.
Sweepers keep the stage clean, so there isn't anything to
Wish your luck, everyone.
The Warrior Princess who joins us next to compete. All of our judges are deliberating now. They'll be handing their scores over to Ray Manale, who's the Senior Director of the Polynesian Cultural Center Theater, and he and his team will be collecting all of our score sheets. So we just want to give them a shout out. We hope they'll stay focused throughout the evening. We've only just begun. As soon as we see a flashing light, we go to contestant number 2. Thank you for joining us on the live stream from around the world for the 30th World Fireknife Championship as part of the We Are Samoa Festival here at the Polynesian Cultural Center. We have live stream people watching from Aotearoa, New Zealand, parts of Florida, California, Arizona, and whoever isn't able to see it just yet, tag them on your Facebook page so they can join us. Looks like we're ready for the next competitor.
And our competitor number 2, all the way from Olympia, Washington, Hanauma
can see on the live stream, the state of Washington has been
actually performs at SeaWorld in California. She's a performer there.
here on display right in front of Hanauma Bay, Samoa, our Vice President of Cultural Presentation.
If Silhouette's lucky enough to get a third place for $1,000, she will pass out.
$1,500. Trophy knives, ulafala, and caps, mini prints, and a beautiful saying.
That's right. So third place will also get ulafala, caps, mini print, and a say as well. First place prize will receive
2,000 tala trophy knife, ulafala, cab signature print.
Now, correction. Well, it's not 2,000 tala, brother. It's going to be $2,000. $2,000.
$8.
That's even better. We should probably say
This is a Samoa event.
Yeah.
Tala.
Yeah, 4,000 tala. It's actually going to be $2,000. So, who's going to be our champion this evening? Let's bring out our contestants.
Our competitors.
Third place, receiving a cash prize of $1,000. Trophy knife, ulafala, caps, mini print, and the same. Third place this year goes to Oahu, Matalasi, Gato!
Second place.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think they all won tonight and every performance was strong. The judges had to pick one, only one. Who will it be? Receiving a cash prize of 4,000 tala, equal to $2,000. Trophy knife, ulafala, cap signature print. Not the mini print, the signature print. Palefiono. Ladies and gentlemen, drum roll.
Good. I still love my baby. I'm so proud of her. We're so proud of her. Good job, Silhouette. We love you.
competition where we'll give an opportunity for these women. They need their moment to shine and to invite their Aina to come down.
I guess they come down and hug my daughter.
Your family or fans, you can
Yeah,
just
I
say.
have to go down on the stage.
Our warriors waiting backstage to join us. While the family members are coming down to take pictures,
There's my baby.
I want to thank John Milford. This is his first time hosting the World Fireknife competition. John Milford is manager of the Samoa Village. He's also the cultural ambassador for the College and Cultural Center. And knowing his founder and CEO of phenomenal. There's nothing like the world
That's
stage.
baby. You did great. Good job. All people from the team.
You know, World Fireknife dancing is not grow without all of the officers that are coming up around the world. And I know we have some of the coaches who are former champions and former competitors watching around the world. So we're going to give you a big shout out and thank you very soon. But in the meantime, this celebration is
I'm gonna give her little necklace too.
No, hold on.
Second place was Hanauma, and the defending champion has won the title again. Jerry Hanauma.
Alright, wow. Say boo, everyone. Thank you.
One more picture for you and her. I do it.
Sorry. She just turned 13 10 days ago.
I realized she was so young.
Yeah, she wanted to compete with the champions. She is giving a fist pound and shaking the hand of some of the drummers. Do you want to go back this way to see Jocko, or are we supposed to go a different way?
At the 30th World Fireknife Championship, we made a bit of history. 5 women competed in the women's division, Tain et al., and we had our youngest competitor ever enter this year in the competition. So I'm going to ask her to just come up. I'm going to quickly ask her. Her name is Silhouette, and this year being her first time, how old are you? And who actually coached you or taught you, got you so passionate about sea hockey?
Hello everyone, my name is Silhouette Manga Salina. I am 13 years old and I am under the direction of Jocko Pupuali, and I go to the Tukula Api School.
Come on everybody, big round of applause from Tukula Api in Washington. First time on a world stage, 13 years old. That's history we're making right there. Thank you so much. Out of time.
So announcements, and then we'll jump right into the competition.
They're ready. The red light's on.
Wonderful. We're ready for the next competitor.
Moving on, contestant number 18.
Come on.
All the way from Kent, Washington. Jocko Pupuali.
over to the 2:30.
There was once a day that I would pray for.
Why waste another moment? We have the results, ladies and gentlemen. Our preliminary results on this May 10th night of 2023. We have 3 names that will proceed to tomorrow's finals. Who will they be? Our first finalist, ladies and gentlemen. Our next finalist, ladies and gentlemen, from Samoa. And our last finalist, who will be competing tomorrow for the title against these 2 men that I just called out. Ladies and gentlemen, our third finalist is...
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Hey everyone! It's the day after the competition and I finally get to go in the pool, the ocean, whatever I want basically. But yeah, day after competition, super happy, super excited, and I feel like everyone did amazing. I'm so proud of everyone. Chee-hoo!
I never ran, said it, no, man, I still go.
Silhouette makes friends wherever she goes, young or old. I love that kid. Going to the waterfall. Are you gonna go under the waterfall at all? You happy you finally get to come in the pool?
Yeah.
Go.
But even that could change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make it change.
Talofa everyone. Today is the day after competition and I just want to say I'm so proud of everyone who competed. I'm so proud of all the men who made it on to the next stage, and I'm especially proud of my instructor Jocko. You did amazing and I cheered so loud for you. And what do you do after a hard work of competition? Practice, practice, practice. No, stop it, stop it, stop it. You know what you do after a hard work of competition? Practice, practice, practice.
Yep, Malo. We are at the McDonald's, across from the hotel. So they wanted to come for breakfast. Oh. But it's done at 10:30. Spicy chicken. And so what? Got a little hat on today. Yeah. We're just gonna eat, and then later on we're gonna tour the islands. Yeah, so far so full.
We figured out how to pop the convertible over or take off the roof. So, oh, it's happening. See? Well, now we're gonna drive around, see what happens.
This is all she ever wanted. We're riding a convertible. All right, we'll see you guys back at the hotel. Silhouette wants to show off sitting in the convertible. Go ahead, get in the driver's seat. You can pop that. You can push it and make it go back up. You ready for your first driver lesson in Hawaii?
Yeah.
Oh, look how low she sits. Could you drive this car, you think? Sure you could. Oh, there we go. Whoa, looks like a transformer. Watch your head. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. It's not gonna hit you. I think you push it again. Oh, cool. More.
Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say and turn them to a game.
So we are here waiting for our friends to start the island tour. You see they have the Fireknife sign up there, and you have a little something about Samoa and the Maori from New Zealand, Fiji, Hawaii, Tahiti, and Tonga. And Silhouette's all ready to go. We're waiting on Toa and his family, and they're coming now. We're getting ready to get on a canoe ride. So we're going on the canoe ride. So that's setting up.
Are you guys together?
Yeah, two families. I'm with the little girl up front, and this is their family here. The two youngest ones go to like training together for the Fireknife.
Really?
Yeah.
Did it performing tonight or?
No, today's the adult male finals. So they competed. She competed last night, and he competed last Wednesday.
Yeah, I did ask for it. The consequences will be death, torture. Yeah. So, if you guys plan on visiting Fiji, just try pushing someone in front of you, and see what's gonna happen.
So we're getting the kids some shaved ice. They're over there. I use the restroom, and now I'm in the well-known magical place of Polynesia called Smoking Area. It's pronounced smoking area or vaping area. Of course, now we're going to our favorite village that I have to film, Samoa. So I think we're coming in at the end of a show, so I think they're gonna restart it, and we'll watch it. We'll watch it here in a minute. So they have one of the females doing it here. That's pretty cool. They also have a male here. He was actually at the competition last night. He was pretty good. He didn't make it to the top 3, but he was pretty good. Toa and Silhouette's gonna meet the main guy here.
With the girls yesterday.
Right, man.
Yeah, she was second yesterday. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. Yeah. So we love your art, by the way.
Oh, you got the girl spinning over there now. Good job, good throw. Yeah, don't kill the butterfly. Hi.
Yeah. Oh, thanks. 20, almost midnight. No, it was like 11 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
What number? I remember. 20.
20.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
Where do I remember you from now?
she was in the competition last night for the
Oh,
women.
okay.
So she was the youngest one.
Oh,
and we did
okay,
intermediate
yeah. I
last
just see
week.
you backstage.
Yeah.
That's right. And
Yeah.
before that, I know I
Yeah, he was here Wednesday. You've been here since last week, right?
Yeah, we were here last week too because he was in the intermediate competition.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sick.
You guys want to take a picture with Sharon? Yeah, can we take a picture with Sharon? Yeah, for sure.
If you think of any moves you see and you want to learn, I'll try to show you.
Yeah.
That'd be so nice. All right. On three. 1, 2, 3.
Come on.
Love it.
This tree, everybody say also.
Mom.
Mom, look.
Are you ready? Yui. Oh, come on, are you ready? Yes. Everybody say jump.
Delta City.
Oh.
Talofa.
Talofa.
Oh, come on, Talofa.
Talofa.
Where are you guys from? Quebec. California. California? South Korea. So Korea is here. Welcome to the Korean show. Korean. Okay, where are you guys from? Where? Tennessee. Any of my Tennessee? Where? Maryland? Hey, look at that, man. You from where?
Israel.
Hey, shalom, shalom.
Hello,
You from Israel too? You from where?
Washington.
Washington. You guys from where? What is it? Oye. Obrigado. You from where? Utah. This is the place. You can hear the whole village singing prayer. Beautiful evening of reverence. The village sing at the same time, pray, whatever religion you belong to. Right after the prayer comes the food. So what I'm saying here is the village eat at the same time. So if the neighbors are eating, that's obviously those guys got their stuff together. Don't listen. Don't go for the looks. If he has both, if he has none, what will he do? If they're looking for us, they'll find us. This is the last episode of Lost. Shoot the chicken over there. I say, hurry up with the fire and come catch me. Hurry up the fire and come catch me if you can, because I believe I can fly. Here we go. Word! This is what I'm That's what you're not. Take a picture of that. Bring that into your memory. That's the absence of beauty. Before rugby, it was coconut. You get hit in the head on the right spot, coconut, the tree of life. Coconut first is a seed. It germinates, becomes another tree. Check this out. I'm not sure what came first, was it the coconut or the tree? Well, it doesn't matter at this point. We don't have time for that. You just need to know that we use every part of the tree. Look up, everything you see up there, including the lights, come from the coconut tree. What's the coconut? So coconut, tree of life. Everything, we use everything. And when they're ripe, they turn brown like this. And you're not ripe anymore. To husk a coconut, there's many ways to do it, but this is all you need. We call it milei. Ever say milei?
Milei.
English, short, stick.
Sharp,
ugly. And ugly.
Before we crack the coconut, you gotta know the husk. So coconut ripens, the husk dries up. You get into all kinds of things before it ripens. Put the husk in the salt water for a couple of weeks. And then husk in the ocean when it's still green. The salt water makes it soft and pliable and lasts a long time. Take it out, pound it, clean it up. Becomes dental floss, hair replacement, hair extension, highly flammable. Stay away from the fire, direct sunlight, and the smoke. Look up, the house is tied with a rope. See the rope up here? Handmade from the husk. Tie the house, the canoes, the weapons, the tools, the original fishing line, fishing nets. Pretty amazing. And you pull him out and you shower, you wash the dishes. Don't use the same one you shower with, you wash the dishes. That's disgusting. Don't wash people you don't know, that's weird. Stupid. As a company, I apologize for this. Look at this. This is where I do my cracking. So, you know, I'm a left-hander, I use the right side of my brain. Use the brain, get a rock. Ever say rock?
It's Michael Jackson.
Who's that?
He's the guy that...
Best thing ever, coconut juice. Young lady here, give her your phone and come on.
Oh, brother.
All right.
She competed in the competition. Fine dancing. Come on, give it up, give it up, yeah. Cheers. To the fire. Lift the fire, keep the fire burning. That's right. Make sure you're gonna win. Don't worry about it. You're not seeing anybody else. You're not driving anyway. Finish it. This doesn't scare me really good. Finish it. Come on, andale. We have a gift for you. We have a beautiful gift for you. There he is. There he is with the gift. Sorry, that was, I didn't finish my... There he is with the gift. We have a gift for you. Hold on. There it is. Give it up. Bring on fire. That's the juice. The milk sits in the meat. Shred the meat. We use a sharp piece of metal. Before it was a shell. Well, last year we got the metal. Everything you do, eat, and drink, you don't have a choice. Everything shows up. Look at this. Look at the muscles. Look at the abs. Hurry up. The pecs, the biceps, the triceps, the trapezes, the deltoid, the distal dorsi, the external obliques. It's a very simple process. So shred all the meat, squeeze it with the fibers of the coconut, and you make the milk. The milk turns to oil, and it's good for the hair, the skin. Oil pour in the morning, you bake, you massage. Unbelievable. This is half a coconut. Imagine 20, 30, 40, 50 coconuts. You believe how many people do it?
What do they do? How they make it?
We do it this way. Check it out.
The coconut meat in the hair.
Look at that. Pure milk. Never seen milk flow before. To the left, to the right. And how low can you go? This guy's a little. He does it over here. Come on, give it up. Give it up, the milkman. Give it up. Milkman delivers.
Put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain.
YouTuber.
Hi. You want to say who you are?
Hi. My name is Langi. I'm Mika Eleolor's wife. And I watch all this stuff.
And who are you? No, I'm kidding.
She's famous.
All right. Yeah. Love you guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
third place. In second place.
Whenever you're ready.
Today's the 12th, and we're going to Hanauma Bay.
Yay! In the convertible! It's chilly out. It's early morning. We're following our friends there. We made it to Hanauma Bay. Silhouettes behind me. We're riding down in the trolley. There's one guy in the water behind like a yellow vest. Maybe he's checking, maybe he works or he's checking stuff out or something. Sure is pretty here. Very pretty. Friend me is gonna help find a good spot for us all. So Silhouette is gonna try to learn how to snorkel and look under the water and breathe through the tubey thing. They have clean ones that they rent out and they wash them and stuff. Yeah. So Toa and his dad, they have plenty of experience snorkeling, so they're gonna try to help her. I have zero experience, so I can't really add to the into any teaching. Go now. Okay. Hey, Silhouette. Now she's gonna stay right in the shallow area, so you can stand up even where these guys are out there. you can still stand. So it's not like she's going in deeper water, you know. Okay, I had to get my hat on, see? Because I will burn like a lobster. So Nia and her daughter and Toa is there, Silhouette, so they're watching her. Don't panic, mommy. I know mommy be watching this saying, "What are you doing? Let her go in the water." She's good. She said, "We got her." Okay, she's going out with Nia and her daughter, and so far she's doing good. She was having problems popping her head up and cracking up every time she was underwater. And there she goes again. Good thing she can stand. So I haven't went this far in the ocean. I know it don't seem like I'm very far, but that's where the beach is. Since '93 when I almost died, but of course that's how I met Asetta, by being put in the hospital after the accident. But yeah, I'm out to my belly button, so that's about as comfortable as I feel. But it looks like Silhouette's having a great time. There's Silhouette. She's been floating around, hopefully looking at fishy. See if I can get her underwater. Yeah, I just got one.
Hey Mom, this is where you met someone a little special?
Someone special? Who did she meet here that's special? Oh my God, look, Silhouette. She's at the place where Mommy and Daddy met. Mommy, this is the photo that you posed in front of.
Photo.
Look at this. I'm 21. My name's Esther. Love you. I love you, sweetie. It's our last night here. And Silhouette's gonna go swimming in the swimming pool. She's saying goodnight to Mommy. Thanks for watching. There's more to come for this month, so stay tuned to the next chapter.
Alright, so we're leaving Hawaii now. I'm gonna miss you, my beloved state. Goodbye.
She's sad. And then here's Jim. Hello, Jim. There's Nia. Hi. There's Lonnie.
More than welcome to take those out of airplane mode. Now folks, once the aircraft is safely parked at the gate,
There was once a day that I was...
So happy Mother's Day. I made some falifu fa'i, some keleve pisupo over rice, and some sapasui. That's what Mommy wanted. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. And want to say Happy Mother's Day again?
Happy
1, 2, 3.
Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. We're not going to film the whole thing. We gave her all our presents last night when we got home from the airport. So let's see how she likes the pisupo gravy stuff. It's okay?
It's really good. I haven't had it in like forever.
Yeah, I had it at PCC. Neener, neener.
Oh wow, it's just so good.
I was gonna try some.
You
now.
liked it, bro?
Yeah, I ate it.
Oh.
You don't like it?
Nah, it's not that. I was asking.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't had this since Mom passed away.
Oh my god. Good?
Yep.
Yeah, I did a recipe based on like Faye and Chef Perez and different people to kind of make it the way they did. So, all right, happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mommies out there.
Right.
Say happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Happy Mother's Day, everyone.
Say Happy Mothers.